What's going on, everybody? Bulldog Gaming here. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, no video yesterday. Today is Tuesday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. So, kind of a serious mode, a little bit. As y'all know, I'm a truck driver, obviously. With this COVID-19 coronavirus, that pandemic that's got the world, everybody in a panic and uproar and everything. Kind of a short video. As you can see, cruising down the interstate. Well, we're not on interstate. We're on one of the back roads, highways, byways, and backcountry roads. Truckers are moving. Last line of defense. All your wants, needs, and everything. Right here, we don't get to quarantine in place, shelter in place. We go out here, we do what we do best. Of course, it's number 3 on my wife's list that I do best, but we won't get into that. But right here, keeping America moving. Schools are closed, restaurants are closed, rest areas are closed. You know, movie theaters are closed. No entertainment. None. And we're still out here, trucking along, making sure that everybody has their product. Toiletries all the way to whatever road he's pulling there. I hope I got enough. Oh yeah, I got enough. Come on out there, Eddie. But yeah, we're still out here we're trucking along. Sorry about the long pause there. But grain haulers are doing their thing. Freight haulers are doing their thing. Tanker yankers are doing their thing. Flatbedders are doing their thing. Cattle haulers are doing their thing. Making sure that we're providing for the ungrateful. You know, and I use the term loosely because there is many people out there that appreciate what we do and why we do what we do. But there is so many people out there ungrateful. Even now, we still get flipped off, disrespected. Doesn't matter. Just out here providing for my family and yours. Doing what we can to make sure that everybody's got everything that they need. So after you watch this video, you can go to social media, Facebook, you can go to Twitter, you can go to Snapchat, you can go to Instagram, any one of them social media feeds. Heck, you can go over on other YouTube channels. Look up the American Truck Driver. On YouTube. See how many people are out there posting videos about what they're doing and why they're doing what they're doing. I can't go into full detail on my weekend loads, but my one load provided for 100 families. My load before that, it provided for a quarantine. So, for those that still bitch and bellyache about the American truck driver, how we're a nuisance, this, that, and everything else, take a step back right now and look at your Walmart shelf, your local grocery store shelves. A lot of things are missing. Because people panic bought toilet paper, paper towel, paper goods, toiletries and stuff like that, and sanitizers. And it's all because mainstream media. I'm not going to lay the blame on anybody else but mainstream media. Our president, Donald Trump, is doing the best he can with the information that's provided and shares it to us when he can. You can go to the CDC website. You can go to the U.S., or not the U.S., the World Health website. Read the same facts. Read the same numbers that I read every single day. My local news, I have an app on my phone. I watch my local news out here on the road. I know what's going on back home. Just as much as my wife does, as much as my kids do. I know what's going on in areas where the rest of my family is. Because I have news outlets from local TV stations in those areas. And they're providing the exact same information. And it's not fogged, it's not smoke and mirrors, it's the straight truth. I listen to my local radio stations. I don't have XM in my truck. I have a regular AM, FM radio. And I tune into whatever local radio station I can get, and I listen to it. I listen to their news feed. Listen to the other truckers talk on the O2 way. See what's going on, how things are going out on the road for them, this, that, and everything else. And why? Because I'm out here on the road with them. We're losing our country to a pandemic that has fewer cases, known cases, than the swine flu, Ebola, whatever you want to call it. But we're in a higher demand because we have Donald Trump as our president. A higher panic-stricken world, country, because we have a non-politician as our country's leader that's a businessman, understands business. Oh yeah, he understands politics. Politics and business, they go hand in hand. But he's here for the American people. He's not a puppet on a string like Barack Obama, Bill Clinton, George, take your pick, which Bush. You can date it all the way back to Ronald Reagan. The last president that actually gave a damn. You know what? He's my president, and he's still your president. And he will be our president again if elected. There ain't no freebies out here in this world. Everything is at a cost. Yeah, I make a paycheck, cover my bills, provide for my family at a cost because I'm away from them. It's a profession that I chose because it's a profession that I know I can provide everything my family needs, and sometimes have enough for things my family wants. those that are out there bitching and complaining about the American truck driver, just quit. Everybody that's out there bitching and complaining about President Trump, just quit. Back our president in our time of need, because you know what? He's backing you whether you like it or not. So, I'm going to close with this. Safe travels. We'll catch y'all on the flip. Stay tuned. I got some stuff coming up in the future. And it's good things. Won't be a mood video, but it'll be some good things. And from the gaming side, look forward to some mod spotlights on American Truck Simulator, on some new mods that I am acquiring and have acquired while out here on the road, still doing my job. So, y'all be cool, y'all be safe, safe travels if you're out on the road, if you're traveling anywhere. And if you're not, take care of one another, because that's all you got. Catch you on the flip.